How to pre-register to visit the Food and Hospitality Indonesia. Step 1. You can access the pre-registration link via internet search, the official FHI website, social media, or FHI's official WhatsApp. Once on the pre-registration homepage, click the Click Here to Pre-Register button to start the process. Step 2. Enter your active email address in the provided field. Click the Get Code via Email button to receive a verification code. Make sure to check the box to validate that your email address is correct. You will receive the verification code via email shortly. Enter the verification code you received via email. Check the box to confirm that you agree to the terms and privacy policy. Click the Sign Up button to proceed. Step 3. Fill in your personal details accurately and completely. Complete the questionnaire according to your profile to ensure your registration falls under the correct category. After completing the questionnaire, click Submit Registration. Step 4. After completing the registration form, you will receive an email with the status Pending Approval. FHI is a B2B trade show exclusively for industry professionals. Visitors under 18 years old are not allowed, even if accompanied by an adult. We require time to verify and approve each registration. Please check your email inbox regularly, including your spam or junk folder, over the next few days to see your registration status. Step 5. While waiting for approval, you can invite your colleagues or friends to pre-register. Click the Add Colleague button available on the pre-registration page. Fill in your colleagues' or friends' basic information, name and email address. Please remember, you are not registering for your colleagues or friends. They will receive an email notifying them that you have invited them to pre-register for FHI. Ensure they complete the registration process so they can visit the exhibition. Step 6. After a few days, you will receive an email confirming whether your registration has been approved or rejected. If your registration is approved, you will receive a visitor pass ticket with a QR code. Click the Download button to save your digital ticket. This QR code is required for entry to the exhibition. If your registration is rejected, you will also receive an email notification. This process also applies to your colleagues or friends who register. Don't worry, you and your colleague or friend can register again by correcting any necessary data or information. Ensure all information is correctly filled in according to FHI terms and conditions before reapplying. You have successfully completed the pre-registration process for Food and Hospitality Indonesia. We look forward to welcoming you to the event. See you at Food and Hospitality Indonesia.